Hey, good morning, everybody. What's going on? Street Trading coming at you with today's trade ideas, final trade ideas for the week. It's Friday, the 14th of January 2022. Looking at an hourly chart here, SPY. Some pretty significant selling pressure in yesterday's session. Pretty much heading right back down. Not obviously wiping out the week's gains, but a substantial part of them nonetheless. And the selling pressure escalated very quickly, accelerated very quickly in the second half of the session. This morning, the ETF is down a point. Still quite early. You have another hour to the boys step in here at 8 a.m. But that being said, there's some key levels that have gotten breached. So we're heading down south. Wouldn't be surprised. We're going to revisit that 100, which is around the 457 level. So that's where we're going to keep an eye out. Obviously, there's a lot of pressure on across not all sectors, but majority of the sectors. So a lot of securities that are already in a downtrend are speeding up that process. So all dead cats are pretty much playing out quite nicely. So keep an eye on that for today's session. That said, we are obviously, make no mistake about it, it's a solid, consistent uptrend quite some time in the overall. So there's obviously these dips getting bought continuously. So don't get it twisted, right? Don't be surprised one bit if the street decides to continue that process into 2022. But right now, we have a nice opportunity for continued selling for overall. So, we're going to get into it. We have 7 going into our watch right now. We're going to definitely chop it down closer to get that to that 9:30 and a little bit more as we get deeper into the early part of the session. So let's get into what we're looking at for today's session, or if this and that, and our game plan. All right, guys, let's get it.